powerhouse storm slams southeastern Wisconsin.
First blizzard warning in Milwaukee County in 15 years.
We do have whiteout conditions.
12 News alerting you first days in advance.
It's going to be a powerful storm.
Tracking conditions in your neighborhood.
Howling winds upward to 60 miles per hour.
It's literally snowing diagonally.
It is just coming down.
And keeping you safe.
Be ready for really dangerous road conditions.
Everybody here working around the clock to keep you safe.
Trust 12 News, Milwaukee's weather leader.